To get scorecard rewards. Start by understanding what scorecard rewards are. Scorecard Rewards is a program that allows you to earn points for every purchase you make using your eligible credit or debit card. These points can be redeemed for rewards such as gift cards, travel, and merchandise. First, you need to check if your credit or debit card is eligible for the Scorecard Rewards program. You can do this by visiting the website of your card issuer or by contacting their customer service. If your card is eligible, you will need to enroll in the program by providing some basic information such as your name, card number, and email address. Once you are enrolled, you can start earning points by making purchases with your card. The number of points you earn will depend on the type of card you have and the type of purchase you make. For example, you may earn 1 point for every dollar you spend on groceries, and 2 points for every dollar you spend on gas. To redeem your scorecard rewards, log into your account on the Scorecard Rewards website. You will see a list of available rewards and the number of points required to redeem each one. Choose the reward you want and click on it to redeem your points. You can also browse the rewards catalog to find other rewards that you may be interested in. Some best practices to keep in mind when redeeming your scorecard rewards include redeeming your points regularly to avoid losing them, choosing rewards that have the highest value, and reading the terms and conditions of each reward carefully. You should also keep track of your points balance and the expiration date of your points to ensure that you redeem them before they expire. In addition to redeeming your points for rewards, you can also use them to book travel, such as flights and hotel stays. To do this, log into your account and click on the Travel tab. You will see a list of available travel options and the number of points required to book each one. Choose the travel option you want and follow the prompts to complete your booking. Overall, getting scorecard rewards is a great way to earn rewards for your everyday purchases. By following these steps and best practices, you can maximize the value of your rewards and enjoy the benefits of the Scorecard Rewards program.